Are you unemployed and looking for ways to make money? This video is going to show you 10 different ways that you can start making money right now. Welcome back to Simply Economics. If you find this video to be beneficial, please consider subscribing for more helpful content such as this. Now, it is hard when you're unemployed and don't have any money coming in, but don't worry, there are still plenty of ways to make money. If you're looking for ways to make money, here are 10 options that can help you get started today. Number 1. Join paid market research. Participating in market research is a great way to make money. Surveys, focus groups, and medical studies are just some of your options. For example, by taking part in medical research, you can get paid for voicing your opinion on medicine or treatments, from basic studies to clinical trials. Companies gain invaluable insights from paying consumers to share their thoughts and feedback on a range of subjects, including beauty products, services, political positions, and more. Every chance may come with different rewards. Some opportunities pay you with points, salaries per hour, or even gift cards. Number 2. Sell online. Are you wondering what to do with the vintage clothing in your wardrobe or those unused electronics and furniture? Why not put them up for sale online? With so many digital marketplaces available now, it can be easy to start selling items from the comfort of your own home. It's time to decide which site is best suited for selling. Do your research on popular sites such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy before making a decision. Number 3. Become a virtual assistant. You can consider becoming a virtual assistant, which involves providing administrative support remotely. You can help out with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, or doing research. If you have prior experience in the industry or are knowledgeable in particular fields such as marketing, data entry, or customer service, this job could be for you. Virtual assistant work is an ideal way to gain flexibility while keeping your startup costs low. Number 4. House sit. If you're looking for a way to make money with minimal effort, why not try house sitting? Residents are always searching for housekeepers who can look over their property while they are away. You'll receive reasonable compensation and free accommodation in return. House sitting provides a unique opportunity to create your own schedule, select your clientele, and set the prices you're comfortable with. So if you like the idea of earning some extra cash, this could be an ideal option for you. Number 5. Pet sit. Do you love dogs or cats or animals? Consider pet sitting. People are willing to pay generously when it comes to caring for their furry friends. To get started, sign up with Rover or Fetch and begin tending to neighborhood pets. Word-of-mouth referrals can help grow your business even further. An average pet sitter makes approximately $12 per hour. By walking a dog, one could make money within just 60 minutes. Number 6. Rent out items. If you're looking to make some extra cash, try renting out the items that you already own. From clothes and cars to homes and instruments, there are a variety of things that can be rented for profit. Additionally, if one chooses to rent something specific such as camera gear, particularly your DSLR camera or your camcorder, certain sites specialize in this type of rental service, including borrowlenses.com and lensrental.com. So, why not monetize what's already yours? Number 7. Sell photography. Unleash your creative genius and make money off of it. Your hobby, talent, or passion for photography can turn into a rewarding income source using stock photo sites like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. You don't even need to market yourself through third-party websites. Simply showcase your portfolio to draw in customers directly. So take those stunning photos you've always wanted. You never know who might be interested. If you don't have access to a camera, take advantage of technology and use your phone. Number 8. Start a blog. Are you intrigued by blogging? You're not alone. With quality content and the right strategies, there are a plethora of ways to monetize your blog. Advertising, affiliate marketing, ebooks, courses. The possibilities for making money from your blog are seemingly endless. While it might take some time to grow an audience before you start profiting from it, trust us, if done correctly, blogging can be extremely lucrative in the long run. All this hard work would be worth it. As a blogger, you are your own supervisor and content creator. Number 9. Tutor. If you're an expert in a certain area, tutoring can be a great source of income without the need for a 9-to-5 job. You can discover different approaches to beginning your own tutoring business, such as franchising, partnering with schools, or teaching at home. The general payment for US-based tutors is approximately $25 per hour, making it an attractive and lucrative venture. Number 10. Stream on Twitch. Love playing video games? Get rewarded for your passion by becoming a Twitch streamer and earning money from the world's leading live stream platform. The gaming industry is exploding, with billions of dollars up for grabs. So take advantage of this opportunity to become part of something big. Create an account today and start streaming as soon as possible, whether you're looking to make it into a full-time job or supplementing your income on the side. No matter your interests or abilities, there is an opportunity out there for you to make money. Take the time to explore which option could work best for you and get started on your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below for any questions you may have. That's all for now. This is Simply Economics. Thanks for watching.